Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the INIU? I don't know. Wireless charging stand. Item number WI-211. Now this I got because my wife's wireless charger, it overheated and burnt out. This one supposedly has a little chip in it that prevents overheating. We'll find out over time. But let's go ahead and unbox this, try it out, see if it works. Now this does say that it has a 3-year warranty. It does have an email for service and support, which is good. But really, that's about it. So we're going to use the magic scissors and cut this down. See if we can get in there. There we go. So we are unboxing. Ta-da! And it's in the package really super good. Oh, we got a little mini box here. Let's see what's in the mini box. The mini box, we have a USB to USB-C cord. Nice. And then we have the charging station itself. Now the cool thing about this is it does have a nice textured background that looks like it might help keep the phone from sliding all over the place, and it does have a little bit of a ridge here, and it looks like it's, I was going to say it's rubbery, but I'm not sure if yeah, slightly rubbery on the bottom. And completely on the bottom it does have some anti-skid, which is nice. And of course on the back you have the USB-C input for charging. And you see these little X's here. They're actually cut into the device a little bit, so I'm thinking they're probably heat sinks. Oh, and down there you can kind of see all the way through it. So yeah, that's definitely to expel some heat. So we have a welcome guide, which is very nice and long. And it looks like it's in English, French, Japanese, Italian, Dutch, and then US English. All right. So pretty much just tells you connected to an adapter. Oh, it did. That's right. It did not come with a brick. So this is supposed to be a fast charger, but it's only a fast charger if you have the fast charging brick. Okay, so if your phone came with a fast charger, you can actually hook that into this device and it'll be a fast charger. Nice. Now, if you just have a standard charger that you hook up to this, it's just going to charge standard speed. Okay. There is some sort of a light in the back there. I have to see what that is a little bit later, but I think that's the charging light. And we have a little night light on the side, which supposedly is supposed to read, oh, maybe that's the sensor there, because that's supposed to read to say, hey, am I bright or am I not so bright? And at very dark times, it's not supposed to be as bright, but in the daytime, it's supposed to be bright. So I think that's a eye sensor right there. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that's an eye sensor. Alrighty. Oh, there's something else. And scan the barcode on the serial sticker by Amazon to verify authenticity, view limited time offers, and enjoy lifetime service. Even though it's just a 3-year warranty. Okay. Well, let's go test this thing out. Now here's the fast charger that is no good anymore. So we're going to take this new one, we're going to plug this in to the back. So it is getting power to the unit. And all we have to do is set a telephone on it and see if it works. It does. Now it's supposed to, there we go, good. Now it's supposed to have 2 separate NFC coils in there that is supposed to be able to charge it no matter which way you put this thing. And it does. So I put it upside down, I put it side up, and I put it sideways. So I'm happy with it. And there you go. Charged 100%, no issues.